Hey guys, how are you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. It is time for day 15 of our Binance challenge. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, and we will go straight over to the charts. So the first thing I wanted to just show you guys is this is Bitcoin. Obviously we all know that. This is day 15 of the Binance challenge, so we started it on the I think it's day 14 actually, so we started it on the 15th. That's it, on the 15th of July. So we're just gonna look how far Bitcoin's gone up since the 15th of July. So that's just here. So we'll get our measuring tool. 15th of July, we are currently up 21.5% in the price of Bitcoin, so that's a good move up in the price of Bitcoin. So you just gotta bear that in mind when we work out what we're up or down in Bitcoin and Fiat wise, basically. So we'll just refresh this and see what is going on today. Here we go. Come on, refresh. So 0.6 4448 plus, and we'll go over to our MCX. Oh, that's it. Refresh. No, 0.301. Is it 0.301 still? It's going to tell us in a second. If not, we'll just use 0.301. 0.30. Oh, here we go. Last saved by the bell, last minute. Oh, 0. Excellent. That's not good, is it? Oh, actually 0.3 now. So 0.3, there we go. So we're on 0.94448 Bitcoin. So that's obviously a little bit lower than 1 Bitcoin, but it's not 21.5% lower. So we're up in Fiat at least. So we're up in Fiat, but we have been involved in these altcoins that have been getting smashed, and we've been fully invested in altcoins. So overall I wouldn't actually say, given the circumstances, that bad. I think the altcoins are going to do well and outperform. So it's just a case of when we started the challenge. So but yeah, right now we cleared that up. So the bots are going okay though still. 24 trades. I just refreshed this. 24 trades. A total of $115 extra profit scalped. So if you think on that, on like if you call it roughly a $10,000 Bitcoin, which is probably the average price for the duration of the challenge, that's like an extra 1% we've got just from the bots. And yeah, we've had here's the history anyway. So a few more trades. I can't really remember where we got up to the other day. These are the ones that are basically ended today. So we've ended these 3 today: 2.46, 3.41, and oh no, sorry, that's dollars. 1.28%, 1.66, and 1.66%. So a few more percent onto those. That's 40% of the position we took off as well, so that's not too bad. And then we've got a few open deals as well in Decentraland, Ren, and MCO. So we'll see how they go and see if we open up any more. But yeah, so obviously we know how these bots are working. They're taking shorts basically after we have a spike up based on 1 hour chart. So you can kind of see the spike up, take some profit, and then add it back on, take some profit, add it back on, take some profit, add it back on, take some profit, add it back on, take some profit. When I say take some profit, we're actually long these coins, so it's sort of like, obviously when it goes up, it is better for us because that's what we want to happen. But when we are going down, we're still sort of covering some of our loss, because basically we have the spike up, we sell 40% of our position, and then we add it lower down. Then we sell 40% of our position, then we add it back lower down. Take 40% off our position, add it lower down, take 40% off, add it lower down. That's kind of how this is working. So it is sort of helping us with our losses when the market's going down. So this is kind of what it's for. It's kind of to, well, when we have, even when the market's trending upwards, we'll find it when the market's trending up. So let's just zoom into this little bit here. When the market is trending up, you take some profits. Obviously you'll be getting out of a position if you're taking them up on a move like this, but then you're re-adding them, and then yeah, taking some profits, and then yeah, the market comes down, re-add them again, take some profits, market comes down, take some profits, market comes down. So you can see the market's still going up, but we're still taking profits. So that's basically how that works, and we'll see how that does work once we start to once the alts start to hopefully start moving up. We won't necessarily, are definitely going to start moving up. But yes, so trade wise, realistically, we've not really done many trades here. We just sat on these altcoins in MXC, we've got Polkadot, Chainx, Kasama, Anchor Network. I don't know why they stay new all the time, but BZRX and DOS. So that's what we've got sat in there. And then in our Binance account, we've all got all the same coins here as well. But we've got quite a bit of Tether at the moment. Not quite a bit, but we've got $500 worth of Tether because we are out of 40% of these positions. So obviously that's the Tether associated with 40% of those positions, looking for a home once those prices come back down. So that's it really. A bit of a quick update. So yeah, nothing really that you guys, nothing really changed since yesterday. Basically, the Bitcoin amount's the same. A few more bot trades, scalping back basically scalping back to help us with those losses. And yeah, so that's not too bad overall. So yeah, that's it guys. Binance update done for day 14. So later on we've got the Bitcoin price action update video, so we'll get that one done, and I will speak to you guys then. Remember, not a financial advice, not a financial advisor. Definitely do your own research, and yeah, I'll speak to you soon.